You're a Pokémon fan, but your wallet says nope? Today, I'm giving you a free pattern so you can build this wall-mounted Squirtle at home. This project is made for Pokémon fans who love DIY but don't want to spend too much. It's quick, affordable, and honestly, super fun to make. You don't need a cutting machine or fancy tools. Just print, cut, fold, and glue. I used a bit of AI to make the video more alive, but the model accuracy stays approximately 99% to the pattern, so don't worry. Just download with confidence and craft away. Print the pattern at 100% scale. The pieces are already numbered so you can't get lost at sea. No HM strength required, just scissors and glue. Affordable, tidy, fast. And here it is, your very own Squirtle, ready to protect your wall from Team Rocket and boring decor. It's light, affordable, and adds instant Pokémon charm to any space. Bedroom, gaming setup, or even your living room. Grab the free pattern from the description below. If you enjoy this, drop a like, share your build with #GottaCraftEmAll, and subscribe for more free patterns. See you in the next craft.